The LiveStorage parts list pages allow you to customize output for compelling customer quotes, robust installation plans, and more. You can lock in your own company logo and contact information here, and enter customer information for each new project. The right-hand slider lets you pick and choose what information you wish to share and what stays hidden. The main page shows what you have selected and can be printed or saved as a PDF for emailing. Customizable note fields and colorful 3D images help your customers make an easier buying decision. Don't forget to check out our training tutorials for more details, and thank you.